Alright guys, so I have a lot of stuff here. Let me just show you guys really quick, okay? Okay, so we have this. I actually have one more of these. I got this. And I have one more of these on the floor, but my arms are full right now. After I went to Japan and I bought all that Bape stuff and I unboxed it, and you guys can see the video somewhere in the cards if you guys want to see what I got from Bape. I decided that I wanted to upgrade my wardrobe, and here I am. I do admit I went a little bit overkill. But anyway, yeah, let's just get into everything that I got. Really quickly though, before we get into this video, I just want to let you guys know that I stream games every single night on Twitch.tv as TroNick. I'll pop it up somewhere right about now. It's on screen right now, or you guys can just go down in the description. There's a link there. I stream games on there every single night, and we play a lot of games. Call of Duty Black Ops 4 is going to be one of my big titles that I'm very excited to stream. So if you guys would like to subscribe to my Twitch channel and support me, you guys can. If you guys have Amazon Prime, it's totally free to subscribe. And every sub does get a beta code, and the beta is from August 3rd to the 5th, as well as from the 10th to the 12th. So yeah, make sure you get your beta codes if you guys haven't already. Black Ops 4 is going to be lit. Anyway, let's get into the video. Also, since I'm going to be unboxing and showing you guys a crap ton of stuff that I know you guys are going to like, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to the channel because it's free. But yeah, anyway, let's get into the video. But anyway, first of all, we do have, oh, it's a little dirty. I went hiking with this bag once so far, if you guys watched my other vlog. But we have the Supreme SS18 backpack in black. We have two Supreme bags. This one is still unopened, brand new in the package. I'm probably not gonna open it because I have no use of having two. Now, resale on this is actually really good. So I might either resell it, or if any of you guys watch this video and you guys are like in Hawaii locally and want to cop this bag, I mean, the resale is just going up and up. So let me know, hit me up in the DMs, in the comments, and maybe you could work something out. Okay, from this point on, I'm going to show you guys a lot of clothing that I bought, and whatever I unbox or take out of the package, I'm going to actually keep it for myself. Now, some of these things I'm not too sure yet if I'm going to try to sell it. I know some of these things that I bought aren't the most hype pieces. Some of it was kind of impulse buying. I'm going to be honest. Remember, this is my first time buying Supreme. But if I don't open the package or rip open the plastic or whatever, just know that I might have intentions of selling it or just letting it sit for a little bit. And yeah, anyway, you guys will see what I open and what I don't open. Alright, so first of all, I got the Supreme work gloves. Now, I will make really good use of these gloves just because I work at the ice rink. Gloves, you know, yeah, basic grip work gloves, keep my hands warm. And something you guys should know, alright, I got this for like around $21, which is like well over retail. I got into buying Supreme about a few weeks before the season ended. But shipping to Hawaii is $25 per like order, so it's expensive. So every time I get something for cheaper than retail plus shipping, like I already know it's already a deal for me. So I'm glad I got these. I'll really make, I guarantee like by the end of the year this might be kind of torn up, but I mean, $21, good deal. Alright, now this is not the most hype item, but I really enjoy this shirt. I'm so excited to open it. I've been waiting so long, guys. This is the Supreme hardware tee, and I got this for a pretty good deal as well, I'm not gonna lie. I'll let you guys know when I actually like don't get something for a good price, because there are a few items. But this is the hardware tee. I got this for, I think it was like $65, which is really good because once again, $25 shipping to Hawaii. But this is the Supreme hardware tee. I thought personally this is like a pretty nice shirt. I think people didn't know as well. There's a little Supreme logo in the back. But if you guys didn't, now you guys know. But Supreme hardware tee, definitely gonna wear this. I'm so glad I got this shirt for a good deal. Next up, I got the Supreme Spitfire collab tee. Now, I think this is kind of whack. I don't know, but this is like the first time I bought Supreme. I was just so hyped I copped the shirt. I think I'm gonna keep it just for the memories, you know, because this is my first Supreme shirt that I ever bought. I did get it for retail, so don't worry. But we're gonna actually open this. I was actually gonna hold on to it for a little bit, but at the same time, like, this shirt isn't even reselling for a lot, so I mean, I might as well keep it. But here's the Supreme Spitfire tee. I mean, I know it's just a swirl with a little Supreme logo in the middle, but I mean, it's my first Supreme shirt. And in the back, you can have a little Supreme or Spitfire Supreme logo in the bottom right, or my bottom right in the back. But anyway, Supreme, my first Supreme shirt ever. Okay, so next up is the light blue, which I think is a very nice like light blue color, but I'm not a light blue kind of guy, which I'm gonna do the whole talking a little bit. But this is the light blue Supreme mesh t-shirt. I bought this at the same time that I bought the Supreme Spitfire shirt. And as of right now, I've been checking like every few days, but the resale on this is not really there. I don't see a lot of people rebuying these from resellers, so I don't know if I'm gonna open this or not. No, I don't wear light blue. I haven't had a light blue shirt since like elementary, but so I don't know how. You guys gotta let me know on this one. I really need help. Will this match me? I'll throw up a picture of like the actual shirt somewhere. But will this actually, can I rock this? You guys gotta let me know though, because if not, I might try to resell, but this shirt's already pretty expensive, and I don't know if people are willing to spend, you know, the money to buy a shirt like this for a resale. But Supreme light blue mesh tee. All right, now next up I have the long sleeve Supreme bevel in black, and I got this for a very good deal. This retails for like $83, but I bought it on eBay with a coupon. It was actually initially $100, but I bought it with an eBay coupon, so I got this for $85. Woo! I mean, I live in Hawaii. It's pretty hot right now, but during like the fall and winter, this shirt is gonna be perfect. Like this right here, guys, is one of the wins. I definitely love. You guys know I love black, very sleek, very very nice long sleeve shirt. And then right after we come off a nice W, another. I'm probably never gonna resell this, but another impulse purchase. Man, they wrapped this good. First of all, I don't know why I bought this at StockX. When I saw this shirt, I was like, okay, you know, it's pretty good. It's a pretty good price. So I bought this. It was initially $44 on StockX. This is a Supreme Gons shirt. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about this shirt, because I'll wear it, but this is definitely not one of the best Supreme designs. Alright, last but not least, we have the Supreme Mona Lisa tee in the gray and red, which is probably like the least popular color, or one of the least popular colors. I really wanted to go for the black one, obviously, or the white one, but that thing sold out way too quick, and my card declined on the day that this came out, and now like everything's like way above $100. So I was glad enough to get this for like, it was 90 flat. I'm pretty sure I got this for like 90 bucks. And once again, when I rebuy items, I go for like, you know, steals and deals. But this is one of those that I was just willing to pay, you know, a little extra. And here we go with the Supreme gray and red Mona Lisa tee. Definitely my favorite cop so far of the summer. And I hope that I get a lot of better shirts this fall and winter, because I'm really excited to actually go through a full season of Supreme. My first full season of Supreme coming up. Okay, so that was it for the Supreme portion, but you guys will be thankful that you guys stayed for this part of the video. Check this out. Now, some of you guys might know this brand. If you guys don't, this shoulder bag is fire. This brand is called, I'm gonna try my best to say this, okay? Marche Noir. Shoulder bags have been getting extremely popular. When I went to Japan, everyone in like the hypebeast areas like Harajuku, Shibuya, everyone was wearing a shoulder bag, and I was rocking a backpack. But anyway, Marche Noir is what's up. Basically, I could not get, or I refused to buy a Supreme shoulder bag. Those shoulder bags retailed for like 60 bucks, and now they're like triple. If you want to get one for sure, you know, an authentic one, they're like triple of what they were initially. So I decided, you know what, why not spend my money, you know, the money that I would have spent on a resale Supreme bag or Supreme shoulder bag for a quality shoulder bag. Anyway, this is called the Marche Noir Rainbow Black shoulder bag, and this is really cool. The metal here, guys, it's one of those metals or one of those colors or paints. I don't know what they do, but it changes color as you kind of like, you know, look at it from different angles. All right, I'm behind the camera right now trying to get you guys there. You guys can kind of see it, right? And I know I still have the plastic on the front buckle. That'll come off when I use it for the first time. I have not used it yet. I waited patiently to show you guys this in a YouTube video. But look at the shoulder strap. Like, this is quality, guys. If you guys could feel this material, it is solid. It feels like one of those, like, how do I explain it? Like those seat belts on the airplane. That's how it's like that. And check this out. The Supreme do this, guys. The Supreme, it comes with a dust bag. I just found this out today before I recorded this video. I was checking out the bag. I was like, yo, I got a dust bag for this. I got a dust bag for a bag, but it came with a dust bag. This is so nice. I'm so glad with this purchase. But anyway, I'm telling you guys, right, since this shoulder bag, and this is not the first design, by the way, but because this sold so well, I guarantee you guys they'll make variations of this bag. This is such a high quality bag. If you guys could just feel the material, this is something that you guys know will last very long. Alright, and last but not least, as far as shoes, there was one release, and you guys are gonna know already. I know that some of you guys that are, you know, super up there in the hypebeast game, you guys are gonna critique okay, what I bought. But you know what? I decided, you know, I might as well get it, and I got it. So you guys already know, okay, we have the Yeezy Butters. I know, okay, we have the Yeezy Butters. Here we go. Yay, we got the Yeezy Butters. Yay. But anyway, yeah, we got Yeezy Butters, and I mean, it's a nice shoe. Is it, you know, really good for reselling? No. But it's a very nice shoe, and unfortunately for myself, which I wish I did not do this, I don't have one. I showed you guys earlier. I talked about this in the beginning of this video. I don't have one. But I have 2 Yeezy Butters. So if anyone does want to rebuy it, I will resell it for generally pretty cheap. Especially if you guys are here locally, I will do it for like $260. The one that I opened right here, okay, this better be my pair. I'm trying not to open the one that I'm trying to sell. But yeah, okay, so this is my pair. This is a 10.5. This is for me. Now, I did buy them in 10.5, which is my pair. And yeah, so this is a size 10 Butters. So if you guys are like a 9.5 in like regular shoe, Yeezy's been a little bit small. So if you guys want to buy this, this will fit you. And I'll sell it for like $260. I think that's a really fair price. And I'll still profit, you know, very little, like very little. And if I can't sell this locally, then I'll probably just wait and let it sit. I mean, the value could go up. Like right now, it's like pretty much, I hope it's at an all-time low, but hopefully it goes up a little bit more. If it does, I'll sell it on StockX, so I let it sit for a while. But yeah, that's about it for the pickups for my my summer. So with that being said, thank you so much guys for watching this video. I really do appreciate it. I appreciate the support, the likes, and the comments, everything. This is a brand new series, so if you guys are really liking what I'm putting out on the channel, and I know a lot of you guys are like from the gaming side of like, you know, my content. But this is just something else that I like to do, and I want to keep you guys in the loop of what I love to do, and this is one of the new things that I'm going to get into. So yeah, anyway guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Everyone have a great day, have a great night. I'll see you guys as the drought, and shoots.